Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Snowflake light projector. As with all my videos and purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what is the quality like, etc. Hopefully you're going to be able to see everything on the box. The box is very torn up. As you can see, hopefully everything is okay in here. It's kind of weird. Usually when Amazon ships stuff, they don't ship it in a bag. But nonetheless, let's take a look at it. User manual. Projector itself, it's in a nice housing. Feels pretty sturdy. And then the power cord. Which usually will twist out of here. Let's see, maybe it won't. Huh. Oh, there we go. It's just in there pretty tight. Let me show you the connection. Basically just gonna stick it in like so. And then you've got this piece that kind of keeps everything connected. Keeps the elements out. Then you've got a ground sleeve, the piece they give you here that connects this, allows you to adjust it. You've got this base as well. More than anything, I know you're going to want to see what does it look like when you turn it on, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to plug it in and we'll take a look at it. So the best thing about this unit is there is no controls to it at all. There's no remote, anything like that. You simply plug it in, and it just takes off going on its own. There's no way to stop it. There's no way to speed it up, any of that stuff. I've used the ones before. They come with a remote and supposedly have 6 different modes and all that stuff, and most of the time they don't work very well. This one's simple. You basically plug it in, and this is what you're going to see. It never speeds up. It never gets slow. It never starts blinking. It never stays still. It's just a constant pattern. So I'm showing it to you on my wall. Unfortunately, it's a little bit too early to put this kind of stuff out for Christmas time. But once it gets a little bit closer to Christmas, I'll be putting it on my house. Colors are nice and clear. I hope it gives you an idea of what it looks like. Thanks for watching the video.